Hello again, my friends. A new topic for today. You see, I have this Ketron MiDJ Pro machine right here, and there's a controversy about this machine. It's able to play multi-track recordings or multi-track songs, let's call it. What is a multi-track? When you have different tracks for drums, bass and so on, and then you can simply adjust the volumes or mixing somehow directly into machine. So let's do that. But first, we have to build the multi-track song. How? Very simple. Let me open. Here we have Audacity. Okay, so we have a couple of tracks here. Let's have the drums. Okay, then let's have the bass. Where is the bass? It's right here. Now let me have a guitar. That's a brass section. Okay, acoustic guitar. Custom backing, let's see. Perfect. And what else? Electric guitar. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's have another one. Let's have a 5 multi-track. What else? Organ, of course. Let's see. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, so we got all the song here. Then we have to do like that. Export audio, custom mapping. Be sure it's on 44.1 kilohertz, 16-bit PCM. Now configure. We need, like I said, 5 channels. Okay? Because we have stereo channels, we have to reroute everything. Okay. No. Let's erase everything here. Okay, yeah, on channel 2? No, please don't. This one goes on channel 2, on channel 2, then I have channel, okay, no. This one goes on channel 3. Please don't. This one goes on channel 4. Okay, come on, you're here. And there we are. So we have 5 tracks, each of them mixed to one channel. Evidently, this is mono in our situation. Let's rename this like test multi export. Here we have it. Okay, now let's connect MiDJ to PC. Let me move that file into the PC like that. So remember, now we have a 5-track audio file. There we go. Back to player, and we have this test multi-wave and play. So these two guys. Okay, so this is a kind of general volume. Okay, I got it. This is drums. Probably I did something wrong. The bass is with the drums. The guitar is there. Electric guitar is there. And organ is here. So I think I mixed the drums with the bass. But we have this other guy. Let's try this one, which is this one. It's only 4 tracks. Okay, let's see. Drums. So I'm not exactly clear why the bass it's mixed with the drums, but I'm pretty sure we can change the things. Yeah, it's looking like it's very capable of playing multi-track. Probably it needs a little bit of tweaking or dealing with some mono file, you know, turning the stereo to mono and then doing perfect mapping to the channels. But anyway, I think this is very concludent. It's doing the job. It's multi-tracking. The bass is still there. Okay, you know something, I'm gonna take them one by one and transform them to mono, and then we'll put them in the multi-track. You know something, I'm gonna change them to mono and organ. I have 5 tracks. Okay, let's take them one by one. Let me open Audacity, I'm sorry, Audacity. Let's start with guitar. Export audio like mono. So then we have the WAV files directly. Then the bass. Export to mono. Then we got the drum kits. Export. Perfect. And the electric guitar. Perfect. And now we should have 1, 2, 3. Okay, I need one more. I think it's it. Organ. Yeah. Organ should go also on mono. Export. Perfect. Now, let's put these things together. So, drum kit, bass, electric guitar, acoustic guitar, and organ. So, we got 5 perfect tracks. Export, custom mapping, configure, 5 channels already done. Let's have a name for this guy. Test 2, test 5, let's say, because it's 5 track. No. And we got the wave there. It's very consistent, like 210 megabytes. And okay, let's move this into the Ketron. Okay, there we have it. It's done, and we got this test 5. So this one, it's acting like a kind of general volume. Here we have drums and bass. One of the guitars, next guitar, the organ, bass and drums are getting together. Oh, that's really funny. Well, it's kind of strange. It can be done with a different arrangement. We can have on track, let's say, so this is track 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5. We can change the situation, having the drums on 5, the bass on 4 and so on. Let's see. Let's do that. acoustic guitar, electric guitar, organ, and then bass, and the last one, drums. Let's see what's happening now, but we don't need such a big file. Okay, let's save this. Custom mapping, configure, 5 channels, like 5 on 2. Okay, let's move this here. I made it shorter in purpose. I don't want to waste too much time. There's the guy. Drums. Only drums. Bass. The organ. And probably the guitars are. So both guitars are getting in the track 2. Okay, it's something to work about. But anyway, we got bass. It can be done, absolutely is. So yes people, it can be done. Like I said, I'm still processing the information. It's a really capable device. As you can see, kind of multi-track, it's possible. At least 4 tracks, it's working like a charm. Probably 5, it's too much, I don't know, we have to read about, but I can't find any information. Anyway, it's good to know that somehow it's working with this multi-track-ish stuff. Okay, like always, please consider subscribing to my channel. It helps me a lot. Push the like button, and I'll be back with more info and more tests as soon as I have the right information about and how to do it, of course. Thanks a lot to my sponsors, Radu and Vlad from Amphia Records and Czech, of course. And in the meantime, like always, don't forget to have fun. See you soon. Bye bye.